I don't think many experiences like this happen for many people, so I think if you are thinking about it, this is definitely a sign to do it. Hi, my name's Tyler Graham. I am from South Africa. I'm a fifth-year medical student at the moment, and I'm working in the Medical Internship with Maximo for about a month. My role there is to help organize medication, distribute medication. I've been doing minor consultations that involve measuring glucose, blood pressure, also just distributing food and knowledge to the community to kind of help them to nourish themselves, take care of themselves, and just give a bit of an equal access to healthcare that everyone does deserve. So I feel like I could have a lot to gain here in terms of what I wanted to go into medically, that I can also take back home along with the experiences as well. I can say almost every single meal I've had has been life-changing. Not even a basic just sustenance. It has literally changed my flavor town central. So the food, 100%, eat everything that you can if you come here. My Spanish classes have really been the reason that I'm able to get through a lot of my consultations with my patients and just everyday exchanges with restaurant owners, waiters, friends, things like that. I definitely think it is something that will benefit anyone who is looking to even just visit Guatemala. I think it's something that will change anyone's life in any way. There's a space here as well for you. It's such a beautiful space. Maximo has really also helped make it as comfortable as it can be. Yeah, and I don't think many experiences like this happen for many people, so I think if you are thinking about it, this is definitely a sign to do it. I have felt so comfortable arriving here. Traveling, it can be something so distressful and so scary that it really does turn people away from doing it, or just it could ruin the experience. But working with Maximo, where I'm staying, things like that don't have to add to the stress of being in an unknown country. So I would definitely recommend that, Maximo.